Bingo Cache's current Help Center lists missions, including a weekly mission bar. So if your weekly challenge is not tracking, the first thing to check is whether the activity is actually being counted as a mission. A Bingo Cached 1. This guide shows you where to check the mission status, what the progress indicators mean, and what to do if your completed activity still is not appearing. Start by opening Bingo Cache and going to the Missions section. The official Help Center confirms that Bingo Cache has a missions area with current and weekly mission features. O Bingo Cached. O Bingo Cached. If the weekly challenge shows progress, continue completing the exact activity listed there. The requirement has to match the mission itself, so playing a different mode or completing unrelated activity may not advance that particular challenge. Next, check whether the mission has actually registered as completed. Bingo Cache says a notification dot appears on the mission's icon when you complete one or more missions. A completed mission then shows a collect button, and after you collect the reward, that button changes to a checkmark. A Bingo Cached Twidin Twe. That means a missing notification dot or unchanged mission progress is different from a completed mission with an unclaimed reward. If you see collect, tap it instead of waiting for the reward to appear automatically. If the weekly challenge remains stuck, completely close Bingo Cache and reopen it. Then return to missions and check the progress again. If the app has an available update, install the current version before testing the challenge again. Bingo Cache's official Help Center specifically includes updating the app as a troubleshooting topic. A Bingo Cached 3E. Also avoid assuming that every game action counts toward the weekly mission. The Help Center separates missions from other Bingo Cache features such as clubs, towns, cards, and regular gameplay, so check the exact wording of the mission before repeating the same action. A Bingo Cached 1. If the progress still does not move after completing the listed requirement, contact Bingo Cache support. When reporting a technical issue, include a clear description of what happened and screenshots showing the relevant screen. Bingo Cache specifically recommends providing detailed information to help support investigate issues. A Bingo Cached 4. So, the key checks are simple. Open missions, verify the exact weekly requirement, look for the completion indicator, and collect the reward when the collect button appears. Your next step is to screenshot the stuck mission before contacting support, so you have a record of the progress you were seeing. If this fixed your Bingo Cache weekly challenge, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app fix guides.